Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're transitioning to G major. In the first half of Violin Book 1 at Suzuki, we do A major, then we transition to D major, and now finally G major to finish the book out. Specifically, page 36 is what I'm going to play today. Page 36 has our notes on G string, so teaching us the lines and spaces. We even have finger numbers and where the half steps are, do you see? What's also good about this page is telling us about low 2, our new fingering. So instead of 2 and 3 being besties, 1 and 2 are going to be besties on the A and the E string. I'm just going to play through this page without repeats, and I'll just kind of tell you through each line, talk you through it. Line 1. Let's do it in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we want to have a steady balance, keep that pinky flex so that we can balance on both strings in those double stops. Line 2. We're just doing G major lower octave, starting on the G string, going to D3 and back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line 3 is the upper octave, so we're starting in that D3, going to E, low 2, and all the way back. Okay, so remember, low 2s, 1 and 2 touching on the A and E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line 4 brings it all together. So we're starting on G0, going all the way up to E, low 2, and then all the way down. So it's 2 octaves complete. I like to think of G major as the scale of opposites. Low strings, high 2, high strings, low 2. Line 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last 3 lines are labeled A, B, and C. They are arpeggios. In 3, 1, 2, 3. Arpeggio B. 1, 2, 3. Arpeggio C. 1, 2, 3.